I want to quickly give you an idea how it works when you put some gel over the window. Now, right now, the camera is white balanced for this lamp here, which is a compact fluorescent, and white balance temperature is at about 2600 degrees. So that, of course, makes the light coming in from the window very blue. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to hold some what's called full CTO. This is the equivalent of an 85 filter. First, I'm going to cover the entire lens. Now, you can see how that makes it look fairly normal outside. However, inside is very warm. I don't know if you can, there's not a lot of light on my hand here, but as you can see, my hand is very warm. This is very kind of Godfatherish. I'm taking it away now. Now, obviously, it's not the same as actually putting gel on the window, but just to get an idea what the window would look like, I'm holding this gel in front of the window, and you get a pretty good idea. See the color difference when I do top and bottom window of that. But now the 2500 is obviously a little bit it's a little bit warmer color temperature. So I'm going to try looking at this this stuff. It's called extra CTO, and it brings 5600K down to about 2400K. So it's actually going to make the window even warmer than normal. But that's kind of an interesting look. Of course, obviously, the blue light is still hitting the pillows. You know, if I were doing this, you'd maybe get a better idea of that. But also, you can see just how much light we're losing there. Now, let's kind of go in the other direction. If we wanted, say, the window to maintain a little bit of its bluishness, this is called 3/4 CTO. CTO means color temperature orange. And there we have a slightly bluish feel, but it's obviously not nearly as blue as it is without it. It's still a somewhat natural feel. If we wanted to try something in the opposite direction, this is an extra blue filter. Let's see what happens. This is very impressionistic. Gives us a very strange feeling outside. Okay, but now going back to this natural look, we're now going to look at what half orange, which is an even, it's half of the color correction of an 85 filter. So that's just a very slight change. It kind of takes the edge off it. See the difference there. Let's try it vertically. There you get a vertical split. You can see what it's doing that way, but it still has a little bit of that bluish feel. And of course, if I cover the entire lens here, that might be kind of an interesting feel. That would be the equivalent of maybe white balancing at around 3500, and then letting the windows be a little bit blue and everything else be a little bit warm. So as you can see, there are different things that you can do with filters. Now, these gels, this is just a demo pack, and they come in from a number of manufacturers, but they come in many colors. So they come in rolls. The rolls can be placed usually on the outside of the window, but to do a lot of windows, it's not cheap. So it's about $1.25, $1.50 a square foot. So you kind of work it out there. And once you've cut the gel, of course, it's very hard to reuse it. So you can't use it for location after location. You pretty much just use it once.